Hi, in this tutorial we're going to go over how to use the find function in Excel. I'm going to do a ctrl F and it comes up with this box. So I'm going to look for, let's just say, this item number. Paste that in there. I'll do find. It'll go to the next one on the spreadsheet down here. Find next. And it'll go through the spreadsheet finding these. Then I can do find all, and it gives you all the cells that have that in them. So if I type in halibut, so I'm going to show you some limitations here. I want to find halibut, and it says it can't find what I'm looking for. But we can see it's clearly right here, so why isn't it finding that? Because it's looking for the text that's in this. So it doesn't look at this cell as halibut, it's looking at it as a formula, as VLOOKUP, da-da-da-da-da. So I could do Control F on master data, and it's going to come up with all the cells that have the master data in the formula there. So what it's not looking for what the cells are showing, it's looking for what is the text inside each of the cells with the Control F function. So an option to look up certain values on here would be to put a filter on, look up halibut that way. So that is the find function and some of the limitations for it. And so thank you for watching. I hope this helped.